Hello, Michael Jensen here from Daily Cash Team. If you could do me a favor and write down the referral ID number of the person that sent you to this video. I'm also going to be making flyers, postcards, and videos to advertise and promote for my downline for the people that join on my team, the people that sign up under me, and they will be working with me. And I want you to know that I'm here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sometimes I'm busy, but if you leave me a voicemail message, I will get back to you, or you can text me at 352-286-8014. I'll say that again, 352-286-8014. And write down the ID number and the name of the person that is on my team that told you about this big ticket opportunity. It's a $500 program. It pays us $250 cash to our mailbox. The other $200 goes to a random person in the program that has one person underneath them. This company gives out random $200 cash commissions. And then $50 goes to the admin, the program owner, the man that created the program. $50 goes to admin. $200 is going to a random member in the program in a rotator, and also $250 goes to the seller, the sponsor, which would be me, or the person that sent you to this video. If this is a video of one of my team members, look on the video or on the flyer or the postcard that I made them, and look for the referral ID number and their name. I need that if you ever call me. I need to know that you're their prospect or their lead and not my own. But this is very simple to do, and it pays $250 each time you get a referral. There is no monthly fee. It's $500 one time, and you earn $250 over and over again. Every time you get a new referral, a new member on your team, you get $250 cash. They mail it to you. The admin sends an email to the person who signed up with the addresses of the three people. The sponsor's mailing address, postal mailing address, and the random address, and also the admin address to send cash. And he wants you to use a tracking ID number when you send it in the mail. And always wrap up cash in dark paper or a few sheets of paper inside the envelope and tape the envelope closed. Sometimes they wrap the cash in tinfoil, but you want to get a tracking number from the post office so that if it gets lost, it can be found and tracked down, and it's proof that it was sent or it was received. So once again, my phone number is 352-286-8014. Write that down. Write down the ID number of mine or whoever shared this video with you if they're on my team. Only if they're on my team. Get their ID number, their referral ID number. Everybody gets an ID number, and get their first name and last name. And then text me and call me, and I can answer your questions. I will close the sales for my downline members. Just have them call me if you're on my team. Have your prospect call me and give me your ID number, your referral ID number, and your first name and last name, so I know who you are, so I know who to sign them up with. $500 one time, pays out $250 cash every single time. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. Give me a call if you have questions or concerns. Like this video, share it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do have many YouTube channels, and I've been doing direct mail for probably 5 or 6 years, and it's very, very simple to do. If you need stamps, and if you're low on money for stamps or prints, I have printing resources, and I have ways to get books of free stamps. There are some stamp clubs out there that work, and I'm a member of some of them. Give me a call. I'm Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. This is for the Daily Cash Bank program. God bless you. Call me if you need help. Maybe your sponsor in the program that you're in, maybe they're not helping you. Maybe they're busy. I don't know. But a lot of people don't have the help. They don't know what to do. They don't know where to promote, where to advertise. That's what I'm for. Call me so you can learn. I don't know everything, but I know what works, and I know what is a waste of time. And I know what's a waste of money. So call me. 352-286-8014. Take care. Jesus loves you. John 14:6. Book of John 14:6. No man comes to the Father except through Jesus. Get saved, get born again. The world's going down the toilet real fast. Come to Jesus. Thank you. Take care. Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. Bye-bye. Call me. 352-286-8014. Mailbox money. Mailbox cash. It can pay you every day if you promote hard. Take care. Thanks.